This is Excel Pro Tips. Do more in less time. Presented by TruePeak Solutions, and I'm David Zvirenko. Today's tip: copy data to multiple cells with a click of a mouse. Using this technique, you can copy data to hundreds or thousands of cells with just a single double click of the mouse. Let me show you what I mean. I know that in this data set, California should be in every cell in this column. So I want to copy this down. To do it the fast way, all I need to do is come to the bottom right hand corner of this cell that contains California. Notice that my cursor changes to this black cross. When it does that, if I double click, it copies the data all the way down to the end of my data set. With this method, there is a caveat. When you copy data that is a date or a number, Excel by default oftentimes chooses to fill a series rather than just copy that original data. And here's what I mean. In this date column, I have a date. If I do the same thing by double clicking on the bottom right hand corner of the cell, notice how it fills not that original date, but it actually increments by one going down. If you don't want that, then what you do is you click on the little pop-up menu that appears right after you've double clicked, and in here there's an option to select copy cells instead of fill series. So if I change it, now my date all the way down is the same. So keep that in mind when you're using this tip. That's all for this tip. If you've enjoyed it, please share with a friend or a colleague.